So we are at Brands Hatch now. I've got my new Autobot bag with me, and he goes in my bag as well.
Ayrton recording his intro.
That's in my video, you know.
So Ayrton's busy doing some recording as well. Well, we've got the programme. That boy. The boy is slightly unhappy at the moment because he's just gone to try to go karting, which he's been looking forward to nearly wanting to do for a while now, and he doesn't. What was that?
I'm too small.
Doesn't meet the minimum height. Never mind, maybe next time. Right, what are you wanting to do again? What is that, Ayrton?
That's simulator.
Fair enough. Here you go then, Ayrton. Keep going.
Welcome to the Formula One Renault F1 Team Experience. We're at the legendary Barcelona track Circuit de Catalunya. You are about to take thrilling, high-speed test laps in one of the most advanced machines on four wheels. You're about to experience a dynamic simulation ride. Please keep your hands and feet away from the doors at all times. Remain seated for the duration of the ride. There are handrails in front of you, and an emergency stop button is located above your head. All on tight. Here we go.
So, was that good, Ayrton?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Excellent. Shall we go have a look at the monster trucks? Yes?
Yeah.
Right.
Never heard more than feeling of Brands Hatch.
Yes. We're going to do a bit of freestyle. There we go, that's Stephen Brennan, everyone. 440 horsepower MX-5. That's more like it. They're awake today. They've all had a lie-in this Sunday. We made plenty of noise yesterday in the audience, so today it's going to be hell for leather, as loud as you can do it. You guys are going to smash yesterday's volumes, okay? Lots of drifting to go on. The gymkhana, remember, after the monster trucks as well. This is just putting some rubber down on the tarmac. Yep. Until we bring out the big boys from Monster Mayhem. Sam Fleet there doing this in exceptional style. There he goes, laying down that rubber just as well as Sam. You might hear in my voice. I did a lot of shouting yesterday, so I think we're all past our pride, the three of us. Definitely. But we're still on the same side of the tank for the audience today. What a fantastic audience we've got here. All right, all the way over from Wales. Well, that tyre smoke's really smooth on the throat, isn't it? Unbelievable. You develop a taste for it. Yeah. This is an S13 180SX from Japan. Mansa Schlugger is there, reigning rear-wheel drive Gymkhana world champion. The only supercharged Gymkhana car we have here today. I mean, I needed some protection on my legs, so now I'm so close. Unbelievable. I hope I haven't saved it. Are you ready for monster trucks? I mean, it's a pretty damn good start, actually. Monster trucks in 3, 2, 1. Behind him we've got Big Pete, the red meat machine, once upon a time a road-going delivery truck. Now with the audience, but not a favourite, Swamp Thing! Put your hands together for Swamp Thing! Beautiful bit of crowd walk is going on. These trucks have got different systems. Some of them are faster, some of them are heavier, some of them have got better suspension. So you'll see as the event goes on, they've all got slightly different skill sets and can all do slightly different types of damage to the cars we've got to trash in the middle of the arena. Yeah, that's right, Punchy. We've got pandemonium over here on the left-hand side. We're going to wait for the trucks to shut off. I'm going to go and have a quick chat to Gary, the owner of Pandemonium. What they call an RII ignition test. So back there is ready. All together. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Round of applause for Swamp Thing.
Burning the candle.
Like I said, this one's going to be a slow crush. Wait to see those windscreens pop, and there they go. Unbelievable destruction. Just the pure weight of those vehicles hammering down on top of those cars. In 3, 2, 1, go! Spin there.
Yeah, just get a bit of traction over the moving on to the Mazdas. Bye bye Mazda.
Oh, poor old man. Oh, there goes the window. Back, the windows pop out with the force of those trucks on top of them. Oh, and very boisterous Swamp Thing.
How was it, Ayrton?
Awesome. I recorded 21 minutes of awesome. I want to do archery.
Well, as the other option is axe throwing, I think archery is probably safer.
Awesome.
Ayrton's stepping up to the archery, so hopefully he'll have a good time.
pointy bit must be at the floor of the target, nowhere else, okay? So you pick it up, over the phone, onto the yellow rest on the side here, slide it along, turn it around so the right move is really, really loud. Ayrton. Okay, that's a cool name. I like it. That's what you want to do, Ayrton, you want that.
Well done, Ayrton.
That was the first and last time we managed to make this.
Hello.
Did you expect that?
Snack time then. What you got, Ayrton? Surprise, surprise. Ayrton wanted to go at axe throwing. Thankfully, he's too young. Minimum age is 12. So I dread it when he's doing that instead. So apparently the jelly beans weren't good enough.
It's car number 14. She'll be on the grid with the grid walking countdown.
What are we going to check the cues out for, Ayrton? Which is?
Red Dragon.
Okay. How do you think we'll do with that?
Not sure.
We'll find out.
Red Dragon, awesome!
Having watched a lot of monster trucks earlier, having ridden on the red tractor, he now wants to drive one. Well, a mini one anyway. He's in the red one, 2 feet.
So we are in the packing up our stuff ready to go to a McDonald's. I have a new hat. Yes, Tigger's here too. And I also have a Lego set. That looks like will be fun to build. So, bye bye for now.